Hello, 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 you guys. You're watching Trying Something New with G-Maw, Smooth, Nephew C, and Uncle T. And we're going to be trying Kool-Aid pineapples. I made these a day or two in advance.
It's not one video.
So, we got grape flavored. We have a dark cherry, fruit punch, yum yum. We have Powerade infused ones.
Ooh,
Pink lemonade and blue raspberry. So which one y'all want to try first? So we're gonna try the purple one, the grape one first. And yeah, that's the big part. Oh my goodness! Hold on, CJ. Yo, look at this. This is purple, purple.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh! And this is mixed with
No.
It's mixed with
It's Kool-Aid. You CJ, you helped me do it the other day.
Yeah, it's mixed with the
Okay. This is what it looks like. Alright, so you guys take one. These are pickled Kool-Aid pineapples.
Oh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it tastes like.
You use powdered Kool-Aid, right?
And pickle juice.
Oh, that's what that other flavor is. Why would you put pickled juice on pineapple?
Because I want to try pickled Kool-Aid.
Pickled pineapple?
Yeah,
Pickled.
Next time I'm going to do it without the pickles to see what that tastes like. I
On a
always want.
scale of 1 to 10?
2. TJ.
1?
TJ, scale of 1 to 10.
10. I love it.
10. I'm going to say 5.
Why?
Because I don't know what I was expecting. But next flavor. What's it? Dark cherry. Yeah.
Come on, let's dig in, Mom. Gotta dig in.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Let me show them
The very
this.
small piece. Show it to me.
No, that's mine. This is a piece of mine.
On small, very tiny piece. Yeah.
Ooh.
Actually, I just want a tiny piece too. I'm gonna cut that one in half.
No,
this
I want
one.
that.
You can have them. Okay. All right. Cherry. I don't know about the dark cherry one.
Ooh, look at the inside.
CJ rated.
1.
G Mustard gave it a 1. CJ rated
10.
10.
That's good.
I give it a 5. Well, no, I'm gonna be honest. I'll give it a 3. I'm being too nice. The next flavor we're gonna try is the fruit punch.
Do I have to keep trying?
No, not if you don't want
Seems
to.
like they're getting worse and worse.
CJ, we're
They
gonna
get
try half
better
of
and better
this.
to me, huh?
We want you to do half.
I'll try to cut that piece in half.
Eat it.
Well, that's a thick piece of pineapple. Maybe I could taste some pineapple on that one. Okay.
Let me show them the and these are pickled Kool-Aid pineapples, y'all. Pickled Kool-Aid pineapples.
Did you see this on TikTok or something?
No. I thought about it one day. I was like, I wonder what do pineapples taste like pickled in Kool-Aid.
It tastes horrible. Can't taste no pineapple.
I noticed.
That's a 1, 2. I think that's a 0.
I give it like a 2. See that what it tastes like to you?
10.
I give it like a 3. Y'all, I didn't know what I was expecting. I just want to try.
Oh, I can see this one. This one's good. Oh, sorry.
This is now we're gonna try the Powerade one. So what I did was I just got some
What's that
Powerade and
What's that
put
little
it
stuff in there?
CJ, it's probably the pineapple huff. It's no bugs or nothing in it because you watched me bag it. Remember? So we're gonna try the Powerade one next. So this one is not even Kool-Aid. It's just Powerade.
Okay.
That's a pretty color.
I smell the pineapple. This one.
What?
Oh, let me show them. This is what the Powerade one look like. It's like a oceanary color.
Pretty nasty. Greenish nasty.
You say greenish nasty.
You said green is nasty.
Yeah.
I'm business out. I don't know what that Powerade did to this, but a 0.
A 0.
God. It's horrible.
I need some. Give my water. Is that my water?
Yes, sir.
Pink, we got 2 more flavors. This is pink lemonade next.
Huh? It's not 2. That's 1.
No, after this one.
Yeah, it's 1. Oh, yeah, that's me.
But CJ, hold on. We're gonna all try that one. Put it in.
Give me a big piece. I need a big
This is what.
Give me a big piece of them. Big piece.
Powerade should have been last.
You get.
Yeah, because the
Oh, yeah.
Powerade one was disgusting.
I need my big chunk.
I want that tiny chunk.
I'll eat that.
All right, pink lemonade.
That's probably the best one.
I'll show like this is probably the best one. I get it like a 7.
I'll give it a 2.
CJ, what you give it?
I did.
Now we're gonna try the last one, which is blue raspberry lemonade.
I got stains. Look.
I see, because
Let
it's
me see.
Kool-Aid.
It's Kool-Aid.
Okay.
Well, stain, red lane. Ooh, I want that chunk. I want that.
CJ, we're all gonna share this large
Yeah, big
chunk.
chunk.
Are these fresh pineapples?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Cause I was like, I don't know how canned pineapple, because they are already flimsy.
Oh, did you break it? Wait, which one is big?
CJ, just pick one.
Yeah, I got the big. No!
Back to 1. Oh no, it's about 2. This one a little better.
Okay. So my fact, CJ, rate this. 10. Gmail Smooth, rate yours.
2.
I
That's
will
your
give
name?
this a 8. My
That's your
favorite
name?
one was the blue raspberry.
Okay.
What was your
What's your
favorite
name?
one?
G-My Smooth?
Okay. Yeah.
What was your name?
Okay.
What was your favorite?
The purple.
Pink lemonade and blue raspberry.
Like this one?
Gmail
They
Smooth,
got
like
about
pink
the same.
lemonade and blue raspberry.
Oh,
And
this
what
one?
was your name?
And
I mean, your
what's
favorite.
Or
What
this
was your
one?
favorite? So you like the purple one, CJ?
What is this?
The fruit punch.
Yeah, I like the fruit punch.
CJ like the fruit punch, the purple.
What is this one?
Blue raspberry. You said you
I
like that
this
one.
one too.
So purple, fruit punch, and blue raspberry.
What's
All
this
right,
one?
that's all
What is
this.
this one?
Pink lemonade.
Oh, yep, I like that one too.
That's it. You
Yep.
sure?
Yep.
Final answer. No. So CJ like the pink lemonade, the fruit punch, and the blue raspberry one,
And this one.
and the purple one. I just like the blue raspberry and the pink lemonade. G-Mall smooth like the pink lemonade and blue
I
raspberry.
like my hair like
and
this.
this is pineapples pickled in with Kool-Aid. So yeah, that's all. That's it.
Don't try this at home.
You gonna mess my
You
hair
ain't
up,
gonna like it. It's
But don't do another appetite fast. Move on forward. Thank you for watching another episode of Trying Something New with G-Mall
We
Smooth,
done. Well,
Nephew C. Get back over here, Nephew C and Uncle T. See you guys later. Then we're gonna try the Slim Jims real quick.
yeah, 'cause it's almost time.